Hey there, this super important video is about number conversion. In this video, we will convert decimal number to octal, binary and hexa. So firstly, we will convert 626 decimal number to the octal number. By the way, base 10 indicates that it's the decimal number and base 8 is the octal number. It's quite an easy process. We will keep on dividing 626 by 8. Here 8 is a divisor. 8 will remain same because of the fact that 8 is the base of octal number and 262 in our calculation is the dividend. So let's start the calculation. So after the end of first calculation, what we get is 78 as the dividend and 2 as the remainder. So as we can see, 78 is less than 8. So we will continue our division process, and at the end of this calculation we get 9 as the dividend and 6 is the remainder. As we can see, we have got 9 as the dividend. We have to perform one more calculation at least. As you should know, a calculation is only stopped in this type of conversion only when dividend is less than the divisor. So let's divide 9 by 8. We get 1 as the dividend and 1 as the remainder. And naturally 1 is less than 8, so we can stop our calculation here for decimal to octal process. And we will do the reverse calculation from left to right and upwards. We get 1162, and this is our exact answer to the decimal to octal conversion. So 1162 is the octal equivalent of 626 of decimal. Now let's convert decimal to hexa. Take 2486 as a decimal number and we will convert it to hexa. Hexa has a base of 16, so we will write 16 in our calculation as a dividend and 2486 as the divisor. Let's start our first division process. So at the end of this calculation we get 155 as the dividend, we get 155 as the dividend and 6 as the remainder. So 155 less than 16, so we will continue our calculation. 155 divide 155 by 16, we will get 9 is less than 16, so we can stop our calculation here and do a reverse calculation from left to right and upwards. We get 9116. But one thing to keep in mind is 11 is equal to b in hexa, so our answer is 9b6. And finally, decimal to binary conversion. We will do it in a similar way. 122 is our number which we have to convert in binary. Divide 122 by 2, we get 61 as the divisor and 0 as the remainder. Divide 61 by 2, we get 30 as the divisor and 1 is the remainder. Again, keep on dividing. We will keep on dividing the divisor till it reaches a point where it is less than or equal to 2, the dividend, the base number of binary. And at the end of all these calculations, we finally reached a point where divisor is less than dividend 2. So we will again reverse calculate from left to right and then upwards, and our answer is this, which is decimal equivalent of 122.